Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Students, you may have noticed that sometimes it is hot and sometimes cold, and sometimes the sky is cloudy. Some days are windy and some are rainy. Yes, this happens because of the changes in the atmosphere of a particular place. The condition of the atmosphere of a particular place at a particular time is called weather. Dear students, today you will learn about weather and climate. Weather can change every day or after every few days. The weather conditions in the morning may be different from that in the evening. Changes in weather conditions give rise to seasons. Students, in India, we enjoy three seasons: summer, winter, and monsoon. Now, climate. The weather conditions that a place has over a long period of time are called the climate of a place. Students, many factors influence the distribution of heat on earth, thereby affecting the climate. The factors that influence climate are distance from the equator, height above the sea level, distance from the sea, direction of winds, and humidity and rainfall. First of all, let's learn about equator. Near the equator, the rays of the sun are direct. As we move away from the equator, the rays become slanting. The areas near the equator have longer days and shorter nights during summer. Next is altitude. The temperature decreases with the increasing altitude. The areas at high altitudes are cooler than those at lower altitudes. Hill stations such as Nainital, Shimla, and Ooty are cool even in summers as they are located at higher altitudes. Next is distance from the sea. The air over the sea is cooler than that over the land. This cool air is known as sea breeze, which blows from the sea to the land. Hence, the areas located near the sea are cool and experience a moderate climate. Next, direction of winds. Cold winds from the Himalayas blow over the northern areas of India in winter, which makes these areas cool. Hot and dry winds from Rajasthan blow over Delhi in summer, which makes Delhi hot. Winds that blow from the sea often bring rain to the coastal areas, making them cool. Humidity and rainfall. Humidity is the moisture or water vapor present in the air. Humidity causes rainfall. Hence, places near the equator which are humid receive a lot of rainfall. The air over desert does not have moisture. Hence, deserts have receive little or no rainfall. Extremely cold places experience snowfall, and these areas are very hot in Rajasthan. Next, heat zones. There are three heat zones of the earth. Number 1, torrid zone. The torrid zone is the hottest heat zone. It lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn on both sides of the equator. Now, temperate zone. The temperate zone lies between the torrid zone and the frigid zone. It is the most suitable for humans, plants, and animals to live. And last is frigid zone. The frigid zone is the coldest heat zone and is a permanently frozen zone. The areas between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole in the northern hemisphere and that between the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole in the southern hemisphere are the two frigid zones. Dear students, in this video you have learned that air temperature and pressure, humidity, rainfall and wind influence weather. Climate depends upon many factors: distance from equator, height above the sea level, distance from the sea, direction from which the wind blow, humidity and rainfall. The earth is divided into three heat zones: torrid zone, hot and humid climate; temperate zone, moderate climate; and frigid zone, very cold climate. Thank you, students.